everyone, what's up? Today I'm going to tell you how to make a bridge of your own in Adobe Illustrator. Cue the intro. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my 2021-2022 yearly project. This is a great project for you to create for the start of the new year. First off, I'm going to take you right through my engineering process, how I created the ideas for the bridge, how I laser cut and 3D printed the parts, and how I eventually put them all together. Let's get started first with the preparation. These are my Adobe Illustrator files. The first one is the main part of the bridge. It is on the left side and the right side. The second one are the middle sections. The third one consists of little squares with holes in them, so I can put the right side, which are little slots that I put into the middle section, and there are bumps on top of them, as well as on the left side and the right side, which makes the bridge even stronger. The fourth file consists of the left side, which are vertical strips, and the right side, which are diagonal strips on top of the bridge. And in order to put them diagonally, I have to put a little hole in them so they can fit through each other. And again, I will put all of those 4 files in the comment section below for you to check out. Now we're finally set for cutting out those pieces. Okay, so the part that is being cut is the main part of the bridge. So the first one is already cut. I'm just cutting the last part. So let me see. 3, 2, 1, let's go. We are finished. Okay, this is the first part that is being cut. So it's kind of a very important moment. Let's go, yeah. Okay, we're on to cutting the middle square. And for whatever reason, the laser cutter decided to do the middle rectangles first. And now it is finishing up the border. It looks like we are also finished with this part.
Okay, so we're just about finished. We have all of our 7 pieces cut. Okay, this is the last piece. 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Let's go.
Here, as you can see, we are already finished with the middle section. Okay, let me just add one more wooden strip onto this, and after that, we can add the main body to the middle section, and we can maybe, I don't know, put this in, put the bumps into the sockets and whatever. We'll figure that out. And those are all my parts. Okay, on my other table. Yeah, looking nice. We're on the right track. Okay, so at this stage, I decided it's time to put the connecting pieces onto the outer sections of the bridge. But then I realized it was a mistake, because without gluing the outer side onto the middle parts, it was very wobbly and couldn't do very good measurements. So I decided to glue the outer sides to the middle section first. So you will see me do this again later. So this is the part when I decided to use glue onto the bridge first, then using the connecting pieces.
So I am just laser cutting the pieces for the connecting part of the bridge. And again, I will have this file in the comment section below if you want to do this yourself. Now let's just wait for the laser cutter to cut out the last 2 pieces. Almost there. There we go. Okay, let's see.
So here's the part when I discovered that my measurement wasn't very accurate. Then I had to use knife to make the ports a little bit wider for them to fit into each other. Okay, after that, everything is just fine. They can fit into each other and go into the port, so I'm really happy. But then it was kind of tragic because I was in a hurry of leaving the class, and I accidentally broke the connecting parts, so yeah. This is me the other day trying to laser cut the pieces that I broke, and I am about to be finished. 3, 2, 1, let's go. We're done with all the laser cutting. That's it for the bridge. That's it for this video. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you in the next one. Goodbye.